till they're dead. Get a kill streak, you can play with a mate. The gameplay is great, you won't take a break. Customize a gun any way you like. You can put on camo, now you're hidden, you can't see my face. I blend in this place, I'll clutch with an ace. I love Call of Duty, take control of the AC-130. Killing all the moves can be dirty. In Modern Warfare 3, I play Modern Warfare 3, I play Modern Warfare 3. Aiming down my sights is too easy, throwing knife to the face is beastly. Modern Warfare 3, I play Modern Warfare 3, I play Modern Warfare 3. Call of Duty is bomb when you're playing with the sniper rifle. Getting headshots, advanced UAV, you can't hide from me, I'm on a kill spree. Oh, you hide and go prone, I will find you wherever you are. I will kill you with my assault drone, all I do is pawn, I am in the zone. Oh yeah, Call of Duty is the best, heavily armored assault helicopter. Be the gunner of the Osprey gunner. Modern Warfare 3, I play Modern Warfare 3, I play Modern Warfare 3. There are a lot of best tricks of final stand. If you are that bad, then use the man.